STINGER's EXOSTK is a premium-grade, self-adhering underlayment, engineered to exceed industry standards as an effective secondary barrier. EXOSTK's advanced SBS-modified formula bonds strongly to OSB, plywood, and gypsum, while providing protection under asphalt, metal, slate, and tile roofing materials. Use along the eaves to help protect the edge of the roof in cold climates, or on the entire roof to create a superior moisture barrier. Made for pros, it's easy to install, strong, and reliable in any weather. Roll, cut, peel, and stick. Its slip-resistant surface provides grip and safety even on steep pitches, while tear-resistant fibers keep crews moving with confidence. EXOSTK is available in granulated 52 mil, as well as fabric 40 mil and 48 mil. All EXOSTK products are built to withstand temperatures up to 235 degrees Fahrenheit and are slip-resistant for enhanced roofer safety. EXOSTK G exceeds industry standards with granules for extra grip and tear-resistant fibers. EXOSTK 40 mil is our best value peel and stick fabric underlayment for performance throughout the job. And EXOSTK 48 mil is the premium fabric choice that's thicker and stronger, optimal for full roof coverage. For durability and performance that protects every roof, choose EXOSTK, part of the STINGER Moisture Defense System.